Hello everybody, today let's jump into the bracing part. In my model I have a bracings in two direction, so we see the kind of purple, light purple and the green, blue. So they're all like this K-type, or I don't know how you call it. And what we can do, we can actually manage it. So like this we can put it in any place. So, and the same for another direction, of course. So now let's go to the code. Let's find it. And yeah, again, to see each step in detail and to see the logic better, I would like to go to Rhino, and then I hope it's also will be clear for you. Okay, what is bracing? As you already can know, all element actually starts with the points. So then, therefore, we should pick our points. We see this is a part of the bracing for one level. Yeah. And this part kind of, it's a little bit tricky. Low point, and this is a top point. Somewhere. Right. Okay. Anyway, let's start from the beginning. We choose all points and we simplify it. Right click, simplify. There's also other options, but in our case we use simplify. If you want to know what does it mean, reverse, flatten graphs and simplify, please write a comment. I will make a special video for that. Then it will be really useful for you to know in deep how all lists works. Okay, and again, our favorite component, list item. What we should do, we should, by list item, we can put exact point which we need. So, and in our case, it will be this one and this one. Right, list, put in the list. And what is item? This again index what we need to pick. So, and by this item we actually manage what kind of where we should make a bracing, right? So we see it exactly here. So that's why if we change it to 1, it means which point will be chosen here and here. So for this purpose, we should take series. We see that our number y 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we get this 5 and this series. We think, yeah, we can see it, right? 5 locally defined values from 0 to 4, right? We discussed it before, when we created our beams in our previous video. And then using this item selector, right, we can now choose this one, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And this is actually, it will be chosen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this is clear for you. And then this we put in the list item here, in the item. This is just intermediate, which I use for everything. Okay, you see we have a list, just say again, and then we put the item, and then we put this, we selected this item. Selected 1 point, selected 2 point, right? We just say +1. So it means that this is 0, this is 1, then we need this point. That's why we say, okay, the same item +1, so which is 2. Okay, and then we get the points. And what we should do, okay, this is second point, and then we get this point, right? Perfect. Points. Okay, actually why I did it, I cannot really remember. So I linked it by the line and then say give me endpoints for me. I take actually this is useless in my opinion. Now I see that I can't actually directly connect it, but whatever. We get a start point, end point, and now we can connect this point to the middle point, right? This is here. How we get the middle point, I think for you it's also clear. We choose all beams we created from the beam part, right? From the along Y. Then we choose by the item the same beams we need, and then we used middle point exactly here, and then we linked it by lines and linked to one geometry. Alright, here we are. Then we collected it all to for each level, and then we put this to the Tekla component like here. I will not explain it again how you can make it. It was already explained before. Please check my video, my previous video. The link will be above. And this is a bracings in the one direction. What about the bracing in another direction? As you can see here, the algorithm is absolutely the same. What is the difference? It's only what will be your dots, right? And of course, let's just pay attention again. Here we take dots from where? We took dots from the columns, right? Our basic dots from the columns. And this is for bracing along Y. And for bracing along X, right, you already can get, based on the logic of the beam creation, you should choose another dots, which are dots from our second grid, which is rotated 90 degrees, right? You took this and go put it here, right? And beams, of course, you also should take beam, which bracing along X from the beams, of course, from the beams along X, right? Yeah, you see. So everything is linked, everything is to logic. I think you can get it. I think that's it. So now we see our steel structure is done. I think that's it for all steel part. Next time I will tell you about the concrete staircase with the steps. But of course, if you have any question and wish, please write a comment below. I will make a new video for you. Then I want to say thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Have a good day. Take care. Goodbye.